different rules for formation of v1 plus ing. This is a very important part of English grammar, basic knowledge. No rules have been stipulated anywhere. This has been arrived at after intensive study and analysis. So, first rule is, if there is a vowel A, E, I, O, U before the last letter of V1, the last letter is repeated and then ing is added to V1. Example, run plus ing, U is vowel, so last letter is N, U is vowel, so running is NNING. Cut plus ing, cutting, short plus ing, shutting, stop plus ing, stopping, swim plus ing, swimming, begin plus ing, beginning. There are thousands and thousands of examples. You can write and practice. This is first example rule is over. The second rule is, if there are two vowels before the last letter of V1, the last letter is not repeated and V1 plus ing is added to ing is added to V1 directly. So examples, eat plus ing, eating, EA double vowel, dial IA double vowel, repeat EA double vowel, treat EA double vowel, load OA double vowel, unload AA, OA double vowel. So last letter before last letter, double vowels are there and ing is added to V1 directly. There are various examples you can study and write for practice. So the third rule is, if the last letter of V1 ends with E, if the last letter of V1 ends with E, then E is removed first, then ing is added to it. Examples, come plus ing coming, take plus ing taking, take plus ing making, bake plus ing baking, shake plus ing shaking, write plus ing writing, get plus ing getting. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are 7 examples. There are thousands and thousands of examples where V1 ends with E, so you can study and find out and write down for practice. Where E is not removed, ing is added. B, V1B ends with E, but if E is removed, E will be a single letter. When after removal of E, there is a single letter, then E will not be removed. But ing cannot be added to a single letter. That is why B-E-E plus ing is equal to being, E-E-I-N. In this case, E is not removed. This is the exceptional case, so this is a special rule where E is not removed, ing is added. LIE, lie mane michha kahiba. Here V1 ends with IE, but if E is removed and ing added, it will be double I plus ing. There is no such letter having double I plus ing. That is why E is not removed and ing is added. So example, lie hochi michha kahiba, DYE, lie hochi ranga kahiba. These are two examples where E is not removed, ing is added. If ing is added, after removing E, there will be double I. So there is no such word with double I plus ing. That is why E is not removed and ing is added directly to it. This is these two verbs end with IE, but this is exceptional. Lie pori rahiba, die moriba. These two verbs also end with IE, but here IE is removed and Y is placed in place of IE, then ing is added. So lie जो पड़ी रहिबा plus ing is equal to ling, die जो मरिबा plus ing that is dy. But if we remove I and add ing, no such word is there. So here I is removed and Y is placed in place of IE. So these two spellings, in case of micha kaiva LIE, it will be LIE plus ing. In case of pori rahiba lie, IE, you place Y in place of IE and then add ing to it. Similarly, die moriba, you remove IE and place Y in place of IE and then ing is added. So these two examples are very important to avoid confusion when, let us take one example. The patient is dash, bracket and lie on the bed. The answer will be lie mane eta pori rahiba, it will be LYI. If you write LIEING, the meaning is Logiti Vichonare Micha Kuch. This is not possible, so you will have to understand the meaning. Here lie is pori rahiba, so it will be spelling will be LYING. The patient is lying on the bed means Logiti Vichonare pori rahichi. If you keep E and ing is added, Logiti Vichonare Micha Kuch. This is not possible, so this is LYING. Similarly, persons are dash, die, then answer will be dy. रोगी माने प्रत्येक दिन persons are dying dying. It cannot be written dieing. It will be dying, lying and dying. These are two special examples where IE is removed and Y is placed and then ing is added. So lying LYING and dying, these are very important spelling for